Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to show you my project that I've been working on for the last couple of few days. I've been creating custom-made connection USB cable to the infrared interface of my Agilent U1253B multimeter. This should work for any type of Agilent multimeters with an IR interface. I just used like a couple of cut to length Sharpies here to separate the two infrared diodes from each other. The circuit is quite straightforward. I don't know if you can see it properly. There's just for the output a transistor inverter and a driver for the infrared LED, and on the input to the PC there's a transimpedance amplifier for the photodiode, and after that it's buffered with an comparator. From there the signal goes to my custom made USB interface, and you see the LEDs happily flashing, and the connection is working. I'll post the schematics later.